Good morning, dear student. My name is Krishna Katpure, and I'm a faculty of chemistry. Today, I like to share with you the introduction to general organic chemistry. This video is useful for all the students who are doing 11th and 12th, or they may be into pharmacy or to the BSc. So this can help you so many students. So that's the reason I start with the introduction to general organic chemistry. So what do you mean by organic chemistry? Actually, it's a study of chemistry of hydrocarbon. Like to share with you the interesting story because in the history of chemistry, the organic chemistry was defined as the study of compounds which are obtained from the parts of the plant or animal. But actually, this was a very old definition. And another definition which comes, the study of carbon is called as organic chemistry. But I can tell you some compounds which contain carbon, like example calcium carbonate, sodium carbonate, which contain carbon but they are not organic. Now the latest definition, which is most accurate, is the study of hydrocarbon is called as a organic chemistry. The most important part of this is a nomenclature, because without nomenclature we cannot study anything in the chemistry. To become a master in chemistry, you should require two things. One is valency and second is nomenclature. You can able to name any compound in a organic chemistry, and also you should know what is the valency of particular element. So the nomenclature is done by two ways. One is common name and another is IUPAC name. IUPAC is International Union for Pure and Applied Chemistry. Organic chemistry composed of various types of compound which are aliphatic and alicyclic. Aliphatics are open chain compound, alicyclic are closed ring. Aliphatic further classify as saturated and unsaturated. These are very known fact. Probably all students are knowing this: alkane, alcohol, ether, which does not contain any kind of double bond, hence they are saturated. Unsaturated alkene compounds like alkene, alkyne, aldehyde, carboxylic acid, esters, which contain carbon and any other element that is connected with a double bond. Alicyclic close ring compound like homocyclic, which has only one type of element like benzene, cyclohexane. Aromatic are the compound which have at least one benzene in them. Aromaticity actually is a big concept, so like to take another differentiation for aromatic compound. Further, heterocyclic means the compound which contain at least one heteroatom in the ring are called heterocyclic, and further they classify as aromatic and non-aromatic. Example is pyridine, and non-aromatic is pyrrolidine. So guys, as I share with you the type of nomenclature, the compound has common system and IUPAC system. The common names are actually from the source of the compound which are obtained, also the place, or also from the scientists who have discovered. Example, formica is the red ant actually, and from which we obtain the formic acid, hence the name has given formic acid to the particular compound. IUPAC names is a systematic name given to the compound without discussing any name, place and scientist name. So these are the few rules, that is how to name compound when depends on the carbon actually. If one carbon is there, the methane is there, probably you should know up to 10. So one carbon is methane, two carbon is ethane, three is propane, four is butane, five is pentane, six is hexane, seven is heptane, 8 is octane, 9 is nonane, 10 is decane. But from actually to student which are working in a chemistry, they should know at least up to 100. For 11 is undecane, 12 it is dodecane, 13 is tridecane, tetradecane, pentadecane, hexadecane, heptadecane, octadecane, nonadecane. For 20 it is ecocene. 21 is slightly different because 11 is undecane but 21 is hen ecocene. 22 is docosane, and then follows tricosane, tetracosane, hen Now 30 is a triacontain. 30 is a triacontain. 31 is once again follows same as the 21, that is hen triacontain, do triacontain. Now for every 10 multiple like 30, 40, 50, the content series will be apply, that is 30 triacontain, 40 tetracontain, 50 pentacontain, 60 hexacontain, 70 heptacontain, 80 octacontain, 90 nonacontain. But what about 100? 100 is not decacontain, okay, it is a hectane. 200 is dictane, 300 is trictane, and so on. I can tell you up to 9,000, but it's not useful, so I will skip this part. Now the functional group containing organic compound. uh, so in this case the most important part is the priority. You have to prioritize the functional group according, actually the order of reference is given here, and which is according with the carbon which is most oxidized will give first preference. Like carboxylic acid is most oxidized, so it has given first preference. After this acid anhydride, ester, lactone, acid halide, amide, lactam. So you might be surprised the few terms are new, like lactam could be new to you, because it's not usually used in our chemistry. Lactam actually is a cyclic amide, and it is used in so many medicines. Specifically, it is a part of penicillin. Uh, it is widely used antibiotic for the treatment of various infectious diseases. After that, nitrile, aldehyde, ketone, and so on. So this is the table that you have to learn and memorize how this sequence or the order of reference has been given. Simply, it is obviously depends on the oxidation of the carbon atom. So guys, today I like to stop here, and next part, in next lecture I will share with you how to nomenclature the ring system and heterocyclic compound. Okay guys, so thank you, take care, and please share your valuable feedback so that we can improve upon.